Well, hello everyone. So this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and this is nothing but the unit that I made a while ago. And I think I did a tutorial on this one, and I'll post the link in the info box if I can go back and find the actual tutorial. But basically all it is some, I think the hair was on the track. It's by Dreamweaver, I believe, or something like that. I might be calling it wrong, but I'll go back and see. And the front of it is nothing but a 3-part lace closure that I received from Uniwigs.com to do a review on. And like I said, I went through all the details in the video, the tutorial that I did. I think I ended up taking the unit down and redoing it again. And I can't remember if I did like another tutorial or not. But anyway, I'll go back and I'll find it, and I'll put the link to all the information in the info box. It's actually sewn onto a dome cap. I didn't want to actually sew the hair onto my hair and do like a sew-in, because I like taking that off and moisturizing my hair, and it's much easier for me to just do it like this, and I can take it off during the week, re-moisturize my hair, and then put it back on. But that's all I did, and I just washed the hair out and curled it this morning. And I think I did cut some of it, if I'm not mistaken, in the front. The last time I did it in the front. The back of it, I did like a little bit of trim to it, not much. But the back of my hair, I just actually used a curling wand, and I just curled the back of it. And this is the way that it came out. So let me know what you think. The outfit I have on today, I have on baby pink, like a really light baby pink wide tail dress. Nothing fancy, just a plain dress, wide tail. And I ordered it offline a while ago. The necklace and jewelry that I have on today, the necklace set, I believe I got this from Burlington Coat Factory, and it's pink, and it has a little bit of gold in it as well, with some clear rhinestones. The earrings didn't come with it, but I matched the earrings with it. I think these were the earrings that originally were supposed to go with it. I'm not sure, but if not, they match perfectly with the necklace, so I decided to wear it today. On this hand, I have a gold ring that my husband brought me. This hand, I have the ring that I had on in the nail art tutorial, the pink rose ring. And I also have on the Tweety Bird watch that I blinged out, the crystal, with the crystal AB rhinestones. I don't have on a belt this morning. The dress came with like a little string belt, ribbon belt pretty much, that you put on and tie in a bow. And I decided to keep it pretty much all pink. So I decided to wear it with the dress this morning. I also have on some light pink fishnet stockings as well. The shoes and purse that I'm taking this morning, you saw the shoes and the video that I just actually uploaded with the crystal AB crystals. I really love these type of rhinestones, because you can pretty much put them on with anything, and it just picks up the color of whatever you have on. Like right now, they're picking up the pink that I have on. So I decided to wear these today. These are the shoes. Like I said, I went through, well, I did post a video of them, so the video should be posted already. I decided to do a lower heel this time for myself, and I was going to open toe these shoes, and I was like, nah, I think I'll just leave them closed toe, because I have some more silver shoes that I did with this crystal on it, and they're like a sandal. They're already open toe, so I decided to leave these closed toe. Like I said, I decided to go with a lower heel. These shoes are so comfortable. Like literally, it feels like I have on sneakers when I have these on. They're just that comfortable. So I know I'll be wearing these shoes a lot. That's why I decided to put this crystal on them, because they'll be really comfortable to wear. The handbag, I didn't, at the time that I uploaded the video, I didn't have, I hadn't actually did the handbag yet. So, I may or may not post a video of it. It might be in a separate video, I'm not sure, but, or it might be included in some of the other videos that I post with bling items in, and you'll see this included in it. But I did, if you follow me on Instagram, you did see this video. I mean the short video of this handbag already. This is the handbag that I'm taking this morning. It's like a light gray, and I was planning on blinging this handbag out all over completely. I didn't have time to do it, and I still may do it over a period of time. I might go in and just go ahead and fill in all the space that you see. But this is a handbag, and I just added some crystal AB rhinestones on it as well. If you, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the video of the handbag before I actually did it. This is what I actually did to it. And I also did the sides of the handbag as well. And I also did the back of it as well, with the crystal AB rhinestones. And like I said, I have another light gray MK bag about the same color. So I might end up taking this one and just blinging it out all over, which is going to be very time consuming, because you can see this is a really, really large handbag. But I may end up blinging it out all over with the crystal AB rhinestones. That way I can have it. I can take it with these shoes, and I also can take it with my silver sandals that I uploaded a while ago, the crystal AB rhinestones as well. So yeah, so that is basically it. My hair, on the other hand, I will be wearing it like this for the next 3 weeks. And I think I have 2 more units that I'm going to go through, if I'm not mistaken. I think I have 2 more or 1 more that I might wear for 3 weeks after that. And afterwards, I will be braiding my hair up. So, yeah. I don't know what kind of braids I'm doing, but I will be doing something to keep my hair up and out of the way. I'm pretty much on protective styles right now. I'm trying to get my hair to grow out some, so I've pretty much been washing it, conditioning it, moisturizing it, and just twisting it, 2-strand twisting it, or braiding it down and just leaving it alone. That's basically all I've been doing. I haven't been combing it. I haven't been doing anything. I just use my fingers to detangle when I wash it and remove the shed hairs out, and that's basically all I've been doing. And I'm going to do an updated hair video about my hair later on, once I'm done protective style, or whenever I have time, and I'll tell you about, go through the details and tell you about everything that I've been doing. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.